color is just beautiful. Red on black. What? Yeah, this is the Regera I've seen like all over the internet, and it's just so nice. Like this white color. Bro, this thing is sick. And look at the wing. That design is nice also. Fully carbon top. Look at the spec Elva. It's got like the Golf design on it. You can see by the seat. That's so cool. A Golf Elva. And this is even without the windshield, which is so cool. Love matte colors. And this matte blue, of course. There's gotta be a 765LT. This one's really nice too. Let's see the back. All gold. Of course, it's got arrow wing. Just once again, this shit on it is so crazy. I love the spec. Red and black. Bro, this thing. And we got like this old Ferrari, and I do not know the model of, but I'm pretty sure they're pretty rare. There's a 918 MC12 and a Senna. Bro, this thing. hotel. And this is just the craziest lineup I've ever seen. I already filmed everything, but my reaction was just priceless. Like, oh my god. Nah, like this is actually crazy. Like what? A McLaren Sabre. Oh my god, bro. No, this is actually so wild. Like 3 wires right here. For sure this one's Roadster. 3 wires and a Sabre is crazy. Both of these are Roadsters. That's a regular one. And then we got a Sabre right there. First Sabre I've ever seen. But just look at these, bro. What? This is like a brown kind of purple car, bro. Like, oh my god. This lineup is just insane. Like this. There's a 720S red. Damn, look at this orange. That's sick. We got a yellow. Damn. We got a Vantage, I'm pretty sure. Look at that. And the Sabre, which is just so crazy. Look at the back of both of these, like. That's sick. What? Damn, this matte black Urus with green. Now watch me. What? Yo, Shmi, what's up? What's up, man? Yo, Shmi right here, which is pretty crazy. What? Nah, bro. We got an SLR, look at that. Yo, we have an SLR McLaren right here. This thing is just so nice. I love this. That's beautiful. Red calipers, red interior.
Are you overthinking about it?
Guys enjoyed this video, and I'm gonna see you guys in another one. Bye.